In this lesson, we will learn Paran. Now, a Paran is composed exclusively of sound syllables taken from the Mridang. By Mridang, we mean the sound syllables that are produced when the Mridang is playing. Now, you must be wondering, why the Mridang? Because whenever you are practicing or learning or even seeing a performance of Kathak, you are seeing the tabla. But you know that Kathak has been performed in this country for more than 1,000 years. And the tabla is a relatively new musical instrument. In fact, it was formed, some people say, by actually dividing the mridang, because the mridang was played like this and the tabla is easier to play like this. So sometime perhaps during the 18th century, the tabla was formed from the mridang. Now, whenever a dancer is performing, the mridang was playing. Dancers sometimes used ta, the, tat, tig, dha, dig, dig syllables. Again, they heard the sound of the mridang, which was much more powerful. In fact, when you hear the sound syllables that are produced by the mridang, you will immediately feel a sort of vibration even within you. So perhaps the dancers were impressed by the sound produced by the mridang, and they formed rhythmic compositions by using the sound syllables of the mridang. So when you have powerful rhythmic syllables, then automatically the dance will also have a certain power and vigor in it. Usually, parans are performed in a faster tempo, usually in drut laya, or the quadruple or the very fast chaugan laya. Of course, sometimes parans can also be performed in vilambit, but generally they go very well when the tempo is fast. I mean, they somehow match the tempo. We will learn 3 parans today. And again, since the term paran is given according to the sound syllables, we can have a paran which is an ordinary paran and a paran which is also a chakradar paran. Yesterday you had learnt a chakradar toda. You know what a chakradar is. A chakradar is a bowl that has to be repeated 3 times to come to the sum. So when a paran is repeated 3 times to come to the sum, it is called a chakradar paran. So we will learn 3 parans, 1 plain and 2 chakradars. You will notice that instead of ta, thei, ta, ta, thei, tig, dha, dig, dig, thei, we have dha, te, te, dha, te, te, dha, dha, te, te. And usually, sometimes when it's recited from like you're reciting from deep within you. Dha, te, te, dha, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, kri, dha, te, te, kri, dha, te, te, dha, din, da, dha, din, da. And so naturally, the dance will also have to be like that. But first, we will learn the bowls, and then we will, learning means first we will learn how to recite the bowls, and then we will learn how to dance the bowls. I would request our friends to play Drut Trital, and then we will learn the bowl. Tage te 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 tage te 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 ta te te ta te te ta ta te te kr ta te te kr ta te te ta den ta gin ra na ta den ta te te ta gin na ta den ta te te ta gin na ta den ta te te ta gin na ta den ta. Notice dhage te 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 dhage te 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 te. This is the first unit. Then dha te te dha te te dha dha te te. Then kridha te te kridha te te. Kridha te te is twice. Dha dhin ta dha dhin ta. Then ghinnaran dha dhin ta. After ghinnaran dha dhin ta is at a slower tempo. Then in the tehai it is dete dhage na dha dha dhin ta. Dete dhage na dha ta dhin ta. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 2 3. So should we, or would you like to hear it once and then you will do it, okay? Dhage te 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 dhage te 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 tha te te tha te te tha dha te te kr tha te te kr tha te te tha din ta ghin ra na tha din ta te te dhage na tha din ta te te dhage na tha din ta te te dhage na tha din ta. Stop. Dhage te 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 dhage te 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 tha te te tha te te tha dha te te kr tha te te kr tha te te tha din ta ghin ra na tha din ta te te dhage na tha din ta te te dhage na tha din ta te te dhage na tha din ta. Good. The next one will be in units of 4. Detta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. Detta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. So the first is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 dha pran dha. Again detta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. The second unit dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha pause ta dha. Okay, and this entire thing is a chakradhar. So let me recite it for you. You will find it's very easy, although it is longer, but the rhythmic units, because they follow a 4/4 division, they are easier to remember. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Hear it once when the tabla is also playing. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. You will start. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha. Dhetta gadi khene nage tete gadi khene dha pran dha gadi khene dha ta dha. Okay, the next one is again a chakradhar, and here it is dhage tete tage tete dhage tete tage tete gadi khene nage tete tage tere kete tak. Again 4/4. Dhage tete tage tete dhage tete tage tete gadi khene nage tete tage tere kete tak take tete dheke dha trikadhet tagen dha. So after 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 take tete dheke dha trikadhet tagen dha trikadhet tagen dha trikadhet tagen dha. Remember the tehai trikadhet tagen dha trikadhet tagen dha trikadhet tagen dha. So it is 4 fours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And takit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha. And this is a Chakradhar, repeated 3 times. Tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha. Hear it once with the tabla. Tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha. Start. Tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, tagitit 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 kadigin nagitit tagitit kit tagit dekit dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha, trikrit tagin dha. Notice the as if you want to leap. I mean, that sort of spirit is there. And I'm sure you notice the difference in the sound syllables, where previously it was tat, tat, thay, tik, dha, dik, dik, thay, very soft and sweet, and here, tagatete, 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 immediately you're in the sort of war spirit. Do you also feel it? Yes. We will now learn how to perform these 3 parans. We will now learn how to dance the 3 parans. Remember, in the first paran, we had the rhythmic syllable dhage tete tete tage tete tete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, with the feet, we will produce this rhythmic sound. Dhage tete tete tage tete tete. You had learned a variety of tatkar where you were doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, where you were actually moving your feet and pulling it back again. So here, instead of the 4 counts, you will do it to 6 counts. Dhage tete tete tage tete tete dhage tete tete. Would you like to try it? Dhage tete tete. Okay. Now, with the hands, I had said that in a paran, the sound syllables of the mridang were being produced. Now, generally a mridang is played like this. Here, we have the drum in the middle, and on the both sides, it is being played. But in dance, everything is a little stylized. So, instead of just playing like this, we will do it in dhage, tete, tete, dhage, tete. Notice, after this, as you're pulling your hands back and taking it out again, your body is also moving. So, with the feet and the hands, your body was moving in this way, coming back, again going in that direction, coming back. So, the movement. Would you like to try it? The next step, dha tete, dha tete, dha dha tete. Again with the feet, it is dha tete, dha tete, dha dha tete. We are moving forward a little. So it's dha tete, dha tete, dha dha tete. I'm moving towards my right front, this way. And again, with my hands, I'm playing the mridang. So, dha tete, dha tete, dha dha tete. Dha tete, I'm looking to my right front. Next dha tete, I'm looking not exactly at the back, a little to the left side. And then again dha dha tete. So it's Dha te te, dha te te, dha dha te te. So would you like to try it from the beginning? Tage te 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 te, tage te 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 te, dha te te, dha te te, dha dha te te. Okay, next, kridha te te, kridha te te. Very technically, kridha te te would have been kridha te te, kridha te te. But since we are doing it at a fast tempo and in the motion, we often, instead of doing the kridha te te, because as you're doing kridha te te, your body comes down. But here we are trying to raise our body. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kridha te te, kridha te te. This is the pushback hand. Kridha te te, kridha te te. Okay? Then next is dhadhinta, dhadhinta. That is very simple. In the Torah, you had learnt about that. So the same hand, dhadhinta, dhadhinta. And here, dhadhinta, right, left, right, right, left, right. Okay, so dhadhinta, dhadhinta. Now ghinnaran. Here, as if you're slightly raising your body, a slight leap. But usually, for pretty girls, it doesn't look nice if you jump around. So it's a very slight leap. Pen can make it a little more prominent. So ghinnaran. In ghinnaran, you will notice that you're leaping slightly, falling on your left foot, and then again coming back. So it's like ghinnaran. Ghinnaran. As I'm taking ghinnaran. So again, ghinnaran, everybody. You're opening your hand. Ghinnaran. 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 Okay? Then dhadhinta, the slower dhadhinta. Dhadhinta. Okay? And now we have the tehai left. Dhete, dhagena, dhete, dhagena, dha, dhadhinta. Here we have 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now we could have taken 2 chakkars, but we are taking 3 just to show the speed. So actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. We are dividing it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I will do the entire paran for you. And after that, you will do it. Okay? Would you like to do it? Good. Now, the other parans are easier because they have the count of 4. So, dhet ta ga di khene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, in the tukras you had learned dig dha dig 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 dha dig dig, where you were using the Urdhva Hasta Chakra and 1, 2, 3, 4 with your feet. So it is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the Todas, you had learned how to take 8 steps while going around, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is both combined together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will do it with the feet. 1. Then dha. Dha is at the center with the right foot. Dha. It is the Utpatti position, looking in front, plain dha. Then kran, dha, kran, dha. You had learnt Kran while learning Tukra. Bringing the Pushpak hand down quickly and Kran Dha. You raise yourself on your toes and Kran. As you come down with the Kran, your hand also is pulled down. So Kran Dha, Kran Dha. Once to the right, Dha to the center, again Kran to the left, Dha to the center. Then after this you repeat Dhetta Gadighene Nagetite Gadighene. Same movement, then Dha Kran Dha. Here, the Kran is at the center, and as far as the feet and the actions are concerned, it's the same, only the rhythm is slightly different. So it's Dha, Kran, Dha. Earlier it was an equal spacing out of the pauses. Dha, Kran, Dha, Kran, Dha. Here it is Dha, Kran, Dha. Now Gadigena Dha, you take a pirouette, Gadigena Dha, then there's a pause, 1-2 pause. Then a Dha where you look in front, then Ta Dha. Okay, so I'll do the entire thing if you recite it for me. Would you like to do it? Good. Next one is again with the 4-4, but here we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So actually, in a count of 8, like what I was doing with my hand over here for I'm doing there, again here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So then in Gadighene Nagetite, Tage There Kite Tak is Tage There Kite Tak. In Tage, you're sort of sliding your feet after this tapping sound. Tage There Kite Tak. Actually, you're pulling your feet back, and this comes with the toe, and while you're making a sound with the heel. So, Tage There Kite Tak. Then, Ta Kite Dhe Kite Dha. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Then, Tekradhet. Tekradhet is the feet. Tekradhet. Then, Taghenne. Taghenne Dha. In Taghenne, remember, the weight of the body will go to the back. Taghenne Dha. Okay, and every Taghenne Dha will be like this, except the final sum, Taghenne Dha. So, Dhage Tite, Tage Tite, Dhage Tite, Tage Tite, Gadighene, Tage There Kite Tak, Take Kite Dhe Kite Dha, Tekradhet Taghenne Dha, Tekradhet Taghenne Dha, Tekradhet Taghenne Dha. Then again. Would you like to say it for me? Very good. Now, would you like to do the 3 parans one after another? As this is a very fast tempo, instead of giving 1 avartans pause in between, we will give 2 avartans gap. And I'm sure you also noticed that at the very beginning, when we were doing Chaugun, we were keeping the beats at the tha laya. But now we are giving the beats in the drut laya. So, na din din na din din na din din na din. And if we had to count with our fingers, it would be na din din na din din na din na din din na. Okay? So, we will do the parans one after another.